Ensocare is a healthcare technology company that specializes in care coordination solutions. Their services are designed to streamline the process of patient care transitions, such as moving patients from a hospital to post-acute care facilities like nursing homes or rehabilitation centers. Ensocare solutions aim to improve efficiency, reduce manual processes, and get better communication among healthcare providers, patients, and post-acute care facilities. Now let's check the how to log in Ensocare Respond website login page here. First open up your browser, then type the Ensocare Login. When you search it, you will see the first results here. Ensocare Respond login page. Just click it. Now we are in the home page now. You can type your username here, then password here, then click the login button. If you forget your username, you can click this section. If you forget your password, you can click this section here. If you want to contact with them, you can email them or you can call the number here. Also, you can get mobile app for Ensocare Respond providers.